Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture we will talk about static members. Let's get started. We have seen that a class basically contains two sections. One declares the variables and the other declares the methods. These variables and methods are called instance variables and instance method. This is because every time the class is instantiated, a new copy of each of them is created. They are accessed using the objects with the dot operator. Let us assume let us assume that we want to define a member that is common to all the objects and accessed without using the particular object. That is, the member belongs to the class as a whole rather than objects created from the class. Such members can be defined as follows. Static int count and semicolon and static int max inside the parameter list and semicolon. In front of the variable and method write static. So this is called static members. The members that are declared static is called static members. These members are associated with the class itself rather than individual objects. Static variables and static methods are also referred to as class variables and class methods. Static variables are used when we want to have a variable common to all the instances of the class. Java creates only one copy for the static variables. Then static variables can be created in a memory only one space. Static methods can be called without using the objects that are also available for use by another class's method. For example, float x is equal to math.sqrt and 25 is its value. Here maths is a inbuilt class and sqrt is the static method. This static method is called with the class name. Class name is a math. So using the class name we can be access the method is a static method, not for the objects. Note, static methods are called using the class names, not for the object name. Static method have several restrictions are there. One, they can only call other static methods. And second one, they can only access the static data. Third one, they cannot refer the this or super key in any way. Thank you for watching the video.